Hi, I'm Bill Singer, and I'm with Kenwood Management. And I wanted to talk with you about some of the things you should think about if you're going to invest with a real estate company that are important and how that applies to Kenwood Management. So, first and foremost, at Kenwood, we only invest in multi-tenanted properties. And there's some real advantages from our perspective in that. It's a much more conservative investment, it's a much more stable investment, and let me describe why that's the case. And I'm going to make the analogy to a mutual fund. If you own a mutual fund, you're typically invested in 50 or 100 different companies. And if one of those companies has financial problem or sales are down, that one company isn't going to impact the overall performance of the mutual fund. Similarly, by investing in multi-tenanted properties, say with 20 or 25 different tenants, if one of those tenants similarly experiences an issue, it's not going to jeopardize the overall cash flow of the property. It's much more stable, it's much more conservative, exactly similar to a mutual fund. Second, Kenwood's sponsors put their own money in every single property that we acquire. Every single one, we have skin in the game. So when we get up in the morning, we're thinking about those properties. We're thinking about the money we have invested, and we're thinking about our investors who are also invested. That interest is very much aligned. And that's important because you want people day in and day out to think about, how can I maximize the value of this property? And third, one of the things you want to think about is, does the real estate company, do the sponsors self-manage the property that they own? At Kenwood, we manage every property that we own, and we only manage those properties. So it is exclusive just for the investors and the sponsors of Kenwood. That's important because third-party management companies don't always have the same interests as the owners of the property. And in our case, we actually feel that our investors probably benefit 200 to 400 basis points in higher returns by our self-managing those properties. Everything is aligned. Hopefully you found this helpful as you consider investing with any real estate company. If you have more questions about Kenwood, please go to our website, www.kenwoodmgt.com. And thanks for watching.